what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Shania, and today's video is going to be on this green smoky eye with glitter nude lip, like always. I love the way this look came out. It's super like holiday. Okay, it's super holiday inspired. Before I get into the video, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys that got me to 10K subscribers. Like, I have been low-key stagnant on YouTube like for this whole year. I've been at 9,000 subscribers for a year, like 9,000 something, like, you know what I mean? It's like a few months I've been at like 9,000, and I was like, can I just get to 10K already? Like, please. Like, that was my end of the year goal. I wanted to get to 10K by the end of the year, and I got there before the end of the year. So I'm just super happy and grateful, and just like, thank you guys so much. Like, wow. Any more talking because I've been rambling for a while now. Let's just get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start this look off by priming my eyes with some concealer. I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. This one is bomb. Like, it's very hydrating. I love it. Okay, so for palette today, I'm actually gonna be taking this ColourPop So Jaded palette. And this is the first time I'm using like any pressed like eyeshadows from ColourPop. The only shadows I've ever used from ColourPop are like the Super Shock ones, like the OG formula ones. But yeah, this is the first time I'm trying ColourPop shadows. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is Your Gem, which is this shade right here. It's like this orangey shade. I'm gonna pop that into my crease. And I'm also going to be blending that up into like the brow area, like I always do with all my shadows. I don't know. I just love doing that. Actually, I'm going to take a different brush because this one has glitter on it. I'm going to take the shade Jade, which is this like warm, this is like this warm olive green shade. Is it warm? Not really. Pop that on my lid and into my crease as well. It's kind of crazy. You can barely see it on camera right now, which is kind of irritating to me. Bringing that into the brow just a little bit right here, like the inner corner part of my eye. Really blending that out. And I'm also taking the shade Stone, which is like this gray color. And I'm using that to deepen the crease as well. I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow actually. And I'm just gonna smoke out the outer third of my eye right here. Basically the lash line area. And I'm just kind of blending it into that green right here. It's not really a smoky liner so much, it's just like a smoky outer corner. Then like kind of just winging this all out right here. Okay, now I'm gonna take that jaded, what color is this? Oh, it's called Peridot. Girl. But I'm just taking this on the center of the lid and just like slightly blend it out on the rest of the lid. Right here in the front. Beautiful color, by the way. That's a beautiful shade. And then I'm also taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow in the shade Zodiac, and it's this like bomb ass like greenish color. It's bomb. I'm just taking that on that same brush, and I'm just popping it like all over the lid, kind of right here. Okay, now for glitter, I'm gonna go in with this ABH glitter that's in the holiday set. And this is what it looks like. This is the one, it's called Mistletoe. So it's like a green. It's so pretty. You can't really tell in here, but once you pour it out, it's so bomb. And then I'm taking the ABH glitter adhesive, of course. And I don't like put it directly on the eye. I put it on a hard surface first, and then I use a brush to apply this. So, and then I put the glitter on just like that. Boom. Actually focusing it on the center right here. And I'm not putting that too high up in the crease because this is not a cut crease, baby. Whoa, almost knocked down my whole entire camera. Okay, so now that the eyes are pretty much done, it's time to move on to the face. And for lashes, I didn't even say the name, but I'm wearing the Mommy lashes from ColourPop. So I actually just got this in the mail today or yesterday, I think. But this is from Makeup Obsession. It's this primer called, yeah, the blurring primer. And blurring primers are right up my alley. Okay, I have glitter all over my face, by the way. Yeah. So this, oh, I actually love the feeling of this. Not seeing any blurring happening just yet. It's the consistency of this is like sort of like similar to like a moisturizing primer. It doesn't feel like, for instance, like a Smashbox blurring primer. But yeah, this is more of like a moisturizer texture, which I don't mind. I actually like prefer that because I'm more into like more hydrating primers anyways. So that's fine with me. Okay, so for foundation today, of course, I'm gonna be going in with the ABH foundation in the shade 500C. And I think I'm just gonna go in with my Milk concealer since I was already using it earlier. I'm gonna take it in the shade, what shade is this? Cinnamon. So then I'm gonna blend this all out with my foundation brush. Favorite blending brush for a concealer, and this is a Makeup Forever 140 brush. Okay, so to set all of my under eyes and stuff, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Benefit Hoola bronzer in the shade Toasted. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some blush, and this is from Carity, the Burgundy Blush Balm, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. Line my waterline with this gel liner that I have, and this is from a brand called Appeal. I got it in my BoxyCharm, I believe, and it's this really beautiful green, bluish green. And take some black and just really smoke it out even further. I'm going to take the shade Diamond and Peridot, these two, and I'm gonna mix them and put them on my inner corner. Whoa, that's hella bright. You know what? I'm just gonna do the green. Okay, for lips, let's do, I wanted to do burgundy lips, but I feel like that's like too much. So this Milk Makeup brown eyeliner for my lip. I'm gonna actually do their new holiday lips. This is the shade On Mute, and it's a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on the center. Oh, that's a bomb. That's bomb. I literally just might do this. No gloss. Okay, I definitely need some gloss. Yeah. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics situation. Okay guys, so this is it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love the way this look came out. Like, it's like super holiday inspired, you know? Like, it looks very like we're going to impress like your in-laws or something, you know? Like, the face is beat, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I really love this makeup and I hope you guys like it too. So what do I usually say? Okay, I'm gonna leave all the products that I use in this video in the description box down below. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all makeup by Shania. And if you guys try this look out, tweet me, DM me, whatever you want. I just want to see it because it's cute. Also, another thank you, just thank you for 10K plus. Like, I'm so grateful for all of you guys. Thank you guys so much. And a lot of you guys are like really new to my channel, so yeah, I fuck with y'all. I appreciate y'all. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.